Hello, I'm Joseph from the Center for Distance Education. In this video, you will learn to activate your Teams classrooms and create Teams meetings from your Canvas course. Before you activate Teams, if you intend to cross-list your course sections in Canvas, please do this before performing the steps to activate your Microsoft Teams classroom in Canvas. You can find the steps to cross-list your courses in the Canvas Help menu. Click on the Help icon and select the Canvas Extend Cross-Listing tool. This will take you to our Canvas Extend resource page where you will find written instructions and a video to walk you through the cross-listing process. To create your Teams class, the first step is to sync your Canvas course with Microsoft Teams. To do this, you will go to your course settings and click on the Integrations tab. You will toggle the switch to activate Microsoft Sync. Now you will click on the Sync Now button. The sync will take a few minutes to complete. While you are waiting, you can activate the Microsoft Teams Meeting link and Microsoft Teams Classes link in your course menu. From your course settings page, click on the Navigation tab. Scroll through the list of available tools to find the Microsoft Teams Classes and Meetings link. Click on the three dots for each tool to enable the links. Remember that you can rearrange the course tools so they appear in the order you would like. Remember to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Now return to the Integrations tab. Click on the arrow in front of Microsoft Sync to verify that the sync was completed successfully and that there were no errors. Now that your sync was completed successfully, you can access the Microsoft Teams Meeting link from the course menu. The Microsoft Teams Meeting link will allow you to view and access Teams meetings for this course. To create a new meeting, click on the Add a New Meeting button on the top right corner of the page. Fill out the Teams meeting details as you would in the Microsoft Teams app. Add a title, make sure to add attendees, select the dates and time for your meeting, and also include any details as necessary. When adding attendees to your meeting, you can type their name in the attendees area, or you can add everyone to your class by clicking on the Add Entire Class link. When you are ready, click on the Send button on the top right corner of the page. Everyone invited to the meeting will be able to see the meeting in their Microsoft Teams app, in their Outlook calendar, and on the Microsoft Teams meeting page in your Canvas course. To change any meeting details, click on the Edit button. Once you are done, click on the Send Update button to update everyone invited to the meeting. Now you can join the meeting from the Microsoft Teams meeting page in your Canvas course, from the Teams app on your computer or on the web, or through your Outlook calendar. To adjust any of the Teams settings before the meeting begins, click on the three dots for that meeting and select Meeting Options. Now you can access the Teams class meeting options as you would have through the Microsoft Teams app. Make sure to click on Save once you are done changing your settings. Once the meeting has completed, you will be able to view the attendance report from the meeting chat, and anyone invited to the meeting will be able to view the recording from the Teams chat as well. To access your Microsoft Teams Classroom from your Canvas course, click on the Microsoft Teams Classes link from the course menu. From the Teams Classes page, click on the Teams icon to open up the Teams Classroom in the Microsoft Teams app. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding Teams and Canvas, please contact me at cdetraining@uta.edu or joseph.rutledge@uta.edu. For Teams support, please contact the UTA OIT Help Desk through ServiceNow or by email at helpdesk@uta.edu. Thank you.